How to import reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. I have already imported the product that is in my Shopify store, this drill screwdriver, and I did this with the app De-Essers. I explained this in a video before. If you want to see that video, click on the top right in the info card. But for now we're going to import reviews on this product from AliExpress. And we do that with the Loox app. So first we need to install the Loox app. So go to apps and then click on the button shop for apps. If you click on that, then you will be in the Shopify app store with all the third-party apps of Shopify. So search apps and type in Loox. And then here, click on the black image with Loox product reviews and photos. And here you see it. I'm not promoting this app for like sponsorship deals or affiliate links, but in my opinion, this is the best app to import reviews and photos from AliExpress to your product. So what you want to do now is you click on add app, and I've already installed the app, so I'm gonna go right into the app Loox, and you can find that by apps in your dashboard. I click on that, and then you will see all the information and things you can adjust in this app. You can do a lot of things in this app, and it's a very nice app. It has pay plans, but trust me, it is worth it. And here you see your store has no reviews yet. Import your first reviews. Now that's exactly what we're gonna do. I click on import your first reviews, and here you see one click import from AliExpress. Import to Loox. Here you see the little instruction, and I click on import to Loox, and here you see drag the import to Loox into the bookmarks bar, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna drag it right into here. So if you edit this to your bookmark and you see here import to Loox, you want to go to the product you sell on your Shopify store, which is from AliExpress. And now this is this weird driller. But now I am on the product page, and here you see it has so many good reviews, and I want this in my Shopify store. So I click on import to Loox. And now I can choose the product I want to send it to, and that is this one. Now I can choose reviews to scan, 20 or 100. 100 is only available with a paid plan, but for now we're gonna just do 20 reviews, and we can filter on the rating as well. So I can choose I only want the reviews in it with 5 stars only. So I have only the good reviews, and reviews from the countries. I can choose which country I want. For now I'm just gonna do all countries. Translates to English because it's an international site. And now it shows me all the reviews, and I can choose which one I want to have on my product and which one not. So that's what we're gonna do now. Preview and import. Now we see this review, and this is pretty nice. So I click on import. This one too. Pretty good. And maybe I don't want this review. I just click on reject, and that review will not be imported. So now this one too, and yeah, you can just keep going on till you have the right reviews that you want and the 20 reviews you're allowed to import. And now the import is completed. I have now a 5-star rating by this product in my Shopify store, and with the right reviews I want. Let me know in the comments if this works for you, and let me know what you want to see next video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in the next video.